Today, I'm going to show you how to create a fresh everyday makeup using only 8 makeup products. Hi, my name is Ivana and I used to work in the corporate world for 6 years. After that, I've been traveling and setting up my own business. Back in my corporate world days, there were so many days when I would wake up exhausted, having client meetings and just not feeling my best. Also, while I was traveling, there were plenty of days when I would wake up 15 minutes before my call time being super jet lagged. During those instances, this is the 5-minute makeup that I can do to look fresh on an everyday basis. The look only involves 8 makeup products, which may sound like a lot, but at the same time, you may not need all of those. So without further ado, let's just get started. I've already done all my skincare, so we're going to jump right into the makeup. The first thing that I'm going to do is apply concealer to only the darkest and the red spots in my face and let it dry. If I would be doing a normal full everyday look that I like, I would definitely be using my very covering BB cream or foundation, but we're not doing that today because we don't have time and we're tired, so ain't nobody got time for that. While the concealer dries, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I really love this eyebrow gel from Benefit, not just because it lasts a long time, it looks very natural, but also because it comes with this little brush. They say that brows really help to frame the face, and I can see that. I can really see the difference when I haven't done my brows and I click a picture, and when I have done my brows and I click a picture. It's just a world of difference. I think the brows take me about a minute to do both. I'm just brushing out the gel a little bit to make it look even more natural. In the meantime, the concealer has dried up enough to give a nice coverage, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. Apparently, I forgot to do this outer corner, which is still quite dark, so just gonna let that dry. That's the thing when you're tired, right? You start forgetting things. The idea here is to not make my face look flawless. I like my skin actually, and I'm very happy after years of having adult acne. This is very clear and happy skin for me. In case you haven't watched that video, I have linked it down in the description below. But I do want to just even it out a little bit. So lighten up the darker corners of my face and also even out the redness a little bit. That way it will still look natural, but a little bit more even. In order to make sure that concealer stays on as long as possible, I'm just going to set it with a powder, but only on the spots where I use the concealer and a little bit on my T-zone. By this point, honestly, I could just put on mascara and maybe a tinted lip balm and be good to go. But I find using a very tiny eyeliner, a little wing, just freshens up the face so much more. If you feel intimidated to use eyeliner, obviously you can just use an eye pencil, a brown one, a gray one, or a black one, whichever one makes you feel comfortable. By making the eyeliner just tiny and very thin, I'm actually maybe using 30 seconds extra, but I do feel it makes a difference in the look. And that's it. Look how tiny that is. Obviously finishing off with some mascara. I actually only apply mascara to my upper lashes because tired and no time. To finish off the look, I'll just use a little bit of blush, just a tiny bit. There we go. If there's anything that's gonna make you look fresh, it's blush, man. And concealer and eyebrows. If I'm feeling really tired and exhausted, I will basically only use a lip balm or a tinted lip balm throughout the whole day. But if I'm feeling a little bit more bougie, I will use a nude lipstick, or if I'm feeling really bougie, I will definitely use a red color. Because the base makeup is there and my face is kind of evened out, even putting on a bold lipstick, I feel will still look quite good. Whereas if I wouldn't be wearing any makeup at all and then put on lipstick, I feel that's just a no-go, especially for my face, which has quite dark corners around my eyes. But obviously, if you feel like that freshens up your face more, feel free to use a bold lipstick without any makeup. Just putting on some lip balm. Today I think I'm gonna go with this really nice My Lips But Better nude lipstick. There's just It makes my lips look a little bit better and more defined. That's it. I can definitely do this makeup in, let's say, 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how many products I want to add in or leave out. Obviously, you can leave out the eyeliner. Obviously, you can even leave out the mascara, but this is the basic look as I would do it if I would have 5 to 8 minutes. Now, of course, I also want to know your ultimate fresh beauty hack. Let me know down in the comments below. Is there a secret product that you use, or is there a certain morning routine that you use when you need to wake up and look more fresh? I really want to know, so comment down below. Also, if you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to put a thumbs up so I know I should make more of them. Also, you can consider subscribing to my channel and joining more than 1,800 subscribers. It's free and you will get a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!